In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix out of video memory Fortnite error. First thing you're going to do is go to this PC, right click properties, and here you want to go to advanced system settings. And here you want to go to, here you're going to go click settings and then advanced and then change. Now uncheck the automatic and select the C drive. And here you want to click the custom size. So it used to be system, check on the custom size. So here you're gonna add the initial size to 11,000 and the maximum size to 32,000. So here, after you do this, you simply click on OK, and then here it's going to ask you to restart your PC. So make sure you restart your PC after you do this step. So here what you're going to do is go here. If this doesn't fix your issue, go to Windows Update, and inside of Windows Update, just make sure you're updated to the latest version. So after you do this, you want to go to Epic Games and you want to open your Fortnite. So let me show you here. So for example, I don't have the Fortnite installed yet, so I can just show you this as an example. This will work the same way like GTA. So manage, and here you will find verify files. Just click verify, and this might take like a few minutes to verify. And now this issue mainly could be due to the high usage of the graphics and video memory. So try to play like one high graphics games at once. Don't launch like 2 games at the same time, or don't like run OBS while doing this, because this could like basically the video and the graphics card can take too much usage at the same time. So try running one game at once, and after you do this, you can just try restarting your PC, and hopefully this fixes your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.